Hello friends, I am Mukesh Singh. In this video we will learn about AWS EC2 service. Before getting started, please subscribe to my channel. AWS EC2, Amazon Elastic Cloud Compute. AWS EC2 is a core service provided by Amazon Web Services that allows you to run virtual machines in the cloud. These VMs are called instances. Key features of EC2: scalable compute capacity. You can launch, stop, or scale instances up and down depending on your needs. Variety of instance types. EC2 offers many types of instances optimized for different use cases. Compute optimized, memory optimized, GPU instances. Customizable, you can choose the operating system, Linux, Windows, or any other operating system. Storage and networking options. Elasticity, easily scale resources to meet demand without buying physical servers. Integration, works seamless with other AWS services. Common use cases: hosting web and application servers, running development and test environments, batch processing or big data workload, hosting container workload with Docker, Kubernetes, high performance compute. For demo, as you can see already, I'm logged into AWS console. So in AWS console, we'll go to EC2. So here already we have this option EC2. So I'll click on it. And once we are here, I'll click on instances, and from here we can do this launch instances. I'll give name to the machine. I'll give Mukesh server, and for this I'm selecting Amazon Linux. So already it is there. So eligible free tier eligible it is. And even for instance type, I'm just leaving as T2 micro. And this key pair is very important. If we don't create any key pair, we'll not be able to connect to the EC2. So let's click on create new pair, and we can give any name. So I'm just giving it as key pair only. So create key pair, and we'll save at and here I'll leave most of the things as is, and few things which are important is auto assign public IP, create security group, and allow SSH traffic from anywhere, so that we'll be able to connect. Here even we can select my IP so that only I should be able, but for demo I'm just leaving it anywhere. And let's click on launch instance. And once it is success, we'll click on this ID. And you can see it's running. So let's connect to this and hit connect button. And we want to connect through SSH. So we'll click on SSH, and it has given the option. I'll be connecting through CMD because I'm on Windows machine. So I'll just copy this command here, and I'll open my command prompt. So, and here I'll paste it, and I'll hit enter. So it asks for fingerprint, so I'll just say yes. And now as you can see here, I'm connected. As we are connected, we can just run some basic command, sudo yum update -y. Just see if any of the package needs any update, they can get updated. So it is always preferred when we create any new instance, we should update this package. and we can pwd, so present working directory. We can create any directory, mkdir my folder. So this folder is created. We can list down ls. So as you can see, our newly created folder. So that's it for this demo. Thank you. If you like this video, please do like and comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.